time to sand the boat.
Woohoo!
What?
Say it again.
Say what?
I wasn't recording you.
I didn't say anything. I said I look like a Smurf.
Tell the beautiful people from at home what you're using.
Sandpaper.
What kind?
The good kind. 100 grit, 5-inch sanding discs.
100 grit.
The downside is this one's really going to be messy.
What was our problem?
Sanding. I needed a vacuum sander. I didn't know that. So,
I stopped recording. Tell them what you got in trouble for.
sanding without a vacuum. So I guess we're supposed to be collecting it all, and I didn't know that. So. We have sanded the hull in the water. Good times. Trying to not get electrocuted. There's electrical cords running every direction to all these boats, and they're all powered, so we're just praying that there's not a short in one of them. Now, we're going to wipe the boat down with the thinner product so that hopefully the rain will kind of die down here. That's good timing. Thank you. Thank you. But anyway, a little rain won't dampen our spirits. Let's get it done.
It's a mystery where we all come from. Now I just share a little piece of my story. Hope you don't mind if I open up. I never knew my father was so strong. never knew my father put right so much wrong, teaching me all about love and forgiveness and letting go of selfish pride. I didn't know then just how much it all meant until now I can see just how right my father was.
Time and tide, it is said, wait for no man. And we need to get this boat sanded, taped, and painted. So we are moving forward regardless of the circumstances. And the circumstances are these. Our flip-flops have failed. The river containment system has failed. We're about halfway to the axles in water. Time and tide wait for no man. Well, now that we've got the water down to a ankle deep or less, hopefully, time to put on the first coat of paint. So we've chosen a Copper Pro SCX. It's a high-low copper boosted ablative paint. And I found a lot of ratings online that said different things about different paints. I had good feedback from other gem owners, and I found one where they put a lot of different bottom paints on pieces of fiberglass, and then they put them in the water and they brought them back up and rated what they got. And this was one of only 3 that had excellent ratings on it, so we will see. Like I said, there was quite a few things that said different information. I seem to be able to find a study saying just about every bottom paint was the best paint, so this is what I chose. You know, you should do for your boat what you need to do. So we have sanded, we have cleaned with the degreaser cleanser to get the residual dry paint off of there, and we are going to do our first coat. So I will open this up, we'll stir it, see how it goes, and depending on the viscosity, I have a little bit of the 974 thinner.
My ball, not to talk with a southern drawl. I never knew my ball to really say much at all.
Don't forget to check out the new season of Breaking Bad, Boating Style, this season on Fox.
He was laughing and joking, but like when he was smoking, once he made up his mind, it was set. I didn't always agree or take him seriously when he called me out, but I won't forget my father's words. I never knew my daddy had to carry so much. I never knew my daddy to ever give up. He worked hard every day and he never complained. He'd tell me always do my best and I tried. I never knew my daddy held so much inside.
Another weekend, another boat project, but this is the last weekend. So we are going to take what is now our beautiful blue and cover it up with black, but not all of it. So we actually set the tape this time to the top of the blue. So it's gonna give us about a 2-inch reveal of the blue with the black below it. And as they've been sort of working their way up with successive paint layers, we feel like this is probably still accurate on where the waterline is. And we feel it gives a little bit of an architectural detail, visual interest. Again, black, white, but just a little bit of blue that kind of matches some of the other things we've done on the boat.
Grateful daughter.
After painting a boat and sucking fumes for no less than 12 hours, there's nothing better than an UFO burrito here at the A1A taco stand in St. Augustine. It's been a welcome respite from slave-like days at the boat. Check it out. All right, get in on this. So, this is a UFO burrito. What they do is they somehow wrap the shell around it, then they put this cheese plug on the bottom, and the whole thing, sweet pork in there with Baja sauce, layer of beans. It's like archaeology for burritos. It's delicious. Okay, time for the big reveal. Yeah. Tired of painting this damn boat. Tired of living on the hard. This boat yard. Living on the boat yard. Life is so hard. I was promised bikini sunrises and champagne horizons. That was all a bunch of lies. 'Cause I'm living in a boneyard. So damn hard. It's hotter than hell here, and I want to die much of the time. But at least I'm almost done creating a hole in the water that you throw money into. Soon it'll be in the water, and it won't be living in a boat.